By a long shot, my absolute favorite way to increase car count is pre-booking that customer's next appointment. Dentists don't send you a reminder or make a phone call that says you need to make an appointment. They contact us and let us know we already made an appointment. Lots of industries pre-book appointments. Hairdressers, you want to make sure you're getting the same person each time that you go. Lots of people are planning their lives better than they ever have before. Car maintenance is something that's not on our minds because we're so busy doing other things. So we want to take the professionalism and let the customer know we've taken it upon ourselves. We want to make sure that you don't go over in the oil changes because your car is going to last longer. I've been in a lot of shops where they have a business card and on the back it says your next appointment is, and they hardly ever use it. We want that customer coming back. Too often what we do is the customer's in, at the end of the day, we give them the receipt and the keys, they give us the money, and we say, see you next time. What does that mean? What that really means is the next time your car breaks down, hopefully you're close to us and you can bring the vehicle to us. How do we know that vehicle has to come back? Because it's a car and it needs to be maintained and it needs to be repaired. So all we need to do is take a look at the customer's history and say, we noticed that you need an oil change every 7 weeks, so we've gone ahead and made that appointment for you. We will be calling you in advance. Now, some people are really concerned about that. They think they're selling timeshares or being too strong with the customer. My favorite approach, and there's lots, but my favorite is to have toothbrushes at your shop that have your company name on them. At the end of the day, I hand the customer the toothbrush after I've given them the invoice, the whole deal that you do, and they look at it and go, what's with the toothbrush? You say, we're like the dentist, instant education. We've gone ahead and made your next appointment. And then you need to sell it, but soft sell it. It's not in stone, it's not in pen, it's only in pencil, whatever you feel comfortable about. But the key is to do it consistently every single time.